giving my review on these three products of Mamaearth. The first one is Mamaearth Upton Face Wash. The second one is Mamaearth Oil Free Face Moisturizer. And the third one is Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub. As you all know that Mamaearth is a renowned brand and it is known for its product made from the natural ingredients available in Mother Earth. From my experience, and it's an honest review, it's no promotional video. What I have faced, I am sharing with you all. The first product is Mamaearth's face wash. Now, as you all can see, it is having natural ingredients of turmeric and saffron. Here are the given the ingredients we can see. Then it is having firm direction for use. Wash your face gently and apply it morning and evening time for your face wash purpose. Now I have used and I have got natural results. It's really very good. As you know that turmeric is very good for skin and saffron is also very good for skin. If I show you the texture, this is having means it is having natural ingredients and it is in pure form. The face wash is really very beneficial and I have got various results. My skin tan removed and my complexions improved, and the cost it is having 249, but I have taken from Nykaa's official site and I have got some discounts. This one is really helpful. I'll recommend everyone to use it and it will give you natural results within a month. The second one is for moisturizer, which is mainly for acne prone skin. It is having apple cider vinegar and the smell of this moisturizer is little bit acidic because it is containing vinegar, and this one is also very good. The price of this product is I think somewhat between 200 or 250, but I have got in discount, so I have got this one in little bit less amount from Nykaa only. This one I use after my bath in morning and night time before sleeping. It is giving me a glowing skin and my skin tone has increased, means it has lightened, and I am getting very much results. So use it twice a day and you will get surely a beneficiary result. And it is better to use for all skin type, but if you are having oily skin then avoid this, but for normal skin and dry skin you can surely use this one. The third one is Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub. As you know that scrub helps in exfoliating our skin and it is very much helpful. This one is having coffee and cocoa. This one is having a very good smell of coffee and cocoa. The texture is also like it's having coffee powder and cocoa powder. This one cost is I think it's near about 350, but again I have got this in some discount. I use it after bath or before bath, once in a week or twice a week, and after using this means I have seen that my dark circles is reducing, my pores are tightening, and blackheads are removing. So I can see that various black pores are going on, and I use it in all the time, all weather, means in winter or summer, no problem, because I get the results. And the texture and smell of this product is also very good. I'll highly recommend for everyone who uses scrub, or you can use it for body scrub also, but this one is for face only. I'll recommend everyone to use it because everyone will get beneficiary result, and whoever has used it can give your feedback in the comment sections below. I'll highly appreciate and wait for your comments and feedback. Thank you.